Hello students, in today's class I am going to explain the problems based on chemical kinetics only for theory. Only for theory, how they can ask the questions, problems, okay, 2 marks question, problems they can ask, 3 marks, actually chemical kinetics totally we have 8 marks, 1 mark question 1, 2 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 1 we have. So in that 2 marks question compulsory we will have one problem. Okay, and in 5 marks question 3 marks questions they will ask either integrated rate equation for first order or zero order reaction, and 2 marks question it will be based on either theory or problem in that also, and 1 mark question 1 it will be a theory questions for 1 mark. Okay, so in today's class I am going to just solve the problems of chemical kinetics MQP questions in model question papers, how they have asked the questions that we are going to solve it. So we should be perfect for the formulas first. For zero order reactions, rate constant, what is the formula we have here? Okay, so we have formula here, K is equal to R naught minus R divided by T. This is for zero order. Zero order. Okay, zero order rate constant equation it is, and for zero order half life what we have here, half life for zero order reaction we have formula here R naught by 2K. Okay, R naught by 2K, and for first order reaction, what is the formula we have, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log R naught by R, or in another way we can say here instead of this R naught by R, A divided by A minus X here. Okay, these two formulas. So again for first order reaction, what is the T half we have here, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K, rate constant. So these formulas you should be perfect here. Based on these formulas only they will ask the question here. Half life period of zero order reaction formula is R naught by 2K. What is R naught here? Initial concentration, and R is what here? Final concentration remains after the completion of the reaction. What concentration of the reactant remains? So that is final concentration. It is R here. Okay, and this R naught is initial concentration. K is rate constant here, T half here. Okay, so rate constant is equal to R naught minus R divided by T it is, and T half, that is half life period, it is what, R naught by 2K it is. For first order reaction 2.303 by T log R naught by R. R naught is what here? Initial concentration. R is what here? Final concentration. The concentration left after the reaction completed here. Okay, so this R will be what? The reaction, what concentration of the reactant left after the completion of the reaction it is, that is R here. Okay, so 100%, initially it will be 100%, 75% the reaction completed, then what left? 25% reactant left, that is your R here. Okay, so R naught is what here? It is 100%, and 75% reaction completed means here this R will be what here? This R is 100 minus 75 it is, that is here 25% here. Okay, understood? So this is R here, final concentration here. So this formula is based on this one only we are going to solve the problems here. The first problem, see here. So see here question, a first order reaction is found to have a rate constant value given here, K is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 second. Find the half life of the reaction. Find the half life of the reaction. Here they have now first order reaction it is. Okay, so first order reaction half life formula what we have, T half is equal to 0.693 by K here. K value given here, just put down 0.693 divided by 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 here. What is answer here? You will get here, you will get 1.26 into 10 to the power 13 second. Okay, so this is the half life of first order reactions. 2 marks question, 2018, March 2018 question it is. Easy only here. Here rate constant given here. T half of first order reaction formula is this one. T half is equal to 0.693 by K it is. Okay. So 2 marks question you can get it here. Just you have to put the value here 5.5 10 to the power minus 40. We will get this answer here. Okay. Okay, next question see here. In a reaction 2A gives product, the concentration of A decreases from 0.5 to 0.4. Okay. So in 10 minutes, calculate the rate during this interval. Calculate the rate during this interval. This reaction is given here. 2A gives product here. Okay. So for this reaction, what will be our rate here? So average rate. What is the formula for average rate? Is equal to delta A divided by d delta T. Okay. So delta A divided by what we have here, delta T. But for this reaction, what it will be here? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 delta A by delta T here. So minus 1 by 2. Now here delta A means what here? A2 minus A1 here. And T given here during this duration, what is the time given here? 10 minutes given here. So 1 by 2 here into A2 is value how much given here? This is A2 is what here? Final concentration. A1 is what here? Initial concentration here. Okay. So it is A2 minus A1 here means what it is? 0.5 minus 0.4 minus 0.5 is divided by what we have here, time 10 here. Okay. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 it is. Then we will get answer in minus here. Minus 0.1 into it is here. Minus 0.1 divided by 10 it is. Okay, so minus will becomes what here? Positive here. 0.1 divided by 20 it is. So we will get here answer 0.005. What we will get here? 0.005 mole per minute. Rate. Okay. So this is the average rate we will get here. Like this. So average rate formula we can find out minus 1 by 2 delta A by delta T minus 1 by 2 A2 minus A1 delta A is here and A2 is what here? 0.4 minus 0.5 divided by 10. Then if we calculate we will get here this one 0.005 mole per minute it is. Okay. So next question is 75% of the first order reaction is completed in 30 minutes. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction. Okay. So this is first order reaction. For first order reaction, what is our formula? K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log R0 by R here. Okay. R0 by R here. Now here we have to find out rate constant. This one only. So 2.303 divided by T. T is given here in 30 minutes. 75% reaction completed in 30 minutes. So T given here 30 here. Log R0. Initially what it will be here? 100%. Okay. So initial concentration it will be 100 here and 75% completed. Then what remains? How much remains? 25% remain. That is our R this one. Okay. As I said just now before, so this R is what here? How much percentage completed? How much remains the reactant? That is R here. So here we will have here 25 here. This is or we have this formula A divided by A minus X here. Okay. So this is 100 minus 75. We will get 25 only here. So now just solve it here. So 22.303 divided by 30. Now it is, we will get 4 here, log 4. Log 4. So next we have here 2.303 divided by, here we have 30. Log 4 value what we have here, 3010. It is log 2 value 0.3010. Just multiply with 2 here. 2 zeros are 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 2 threes are 6. So log 4 value we will get here 0.6020. Okay. Log 2 value keep in mind always here. What is that here? 0.3010. Log 4 means double of log 2 here. So it is 0.6020. Now just to solve it, then we will get here answer what? That is our answer only. Okay. So in this we will get answer 0.04622. 0.04622 per minute. Okay. So this is first order reaction. So the unit is what here? Per minute it is. Here t time given in minutes. So our answers unit will be in per minute. First order reactions, rate constant, unit per minute it is, per second, per minute, per hour. So time it is. Okay. So this question asked in July 2016 question it is. Okay. Note down this one. Next question we have here, the rate constant of a certain first order reaction is 200 per second. What is its half-life period? Here given first order reactions rate constant, K value given here, it is 200 per second here, and you have to find out the half-life. Easy only it is. So half-life we have to find out for first order reaction. We have this formula 0.693 by here K. So K value given here 0.693 divided by 200, and just solve, you will get the answer here. Okay, and the answer is 0.003465. 0.003465 per second. Okay, second, not per second, second it is. So T half. This answer you will get here. Okay. So this question asked in March 2016, 2 marks question it is. Easy only, they will give first order reaction, rate constant, and we have to find out half-life period. Sometimes they will give the half-life period, we have to calculate the rate constant it is. Okay. So 0.693 by K, we can solve this problem here. March 2016 this problem. Next question we have here, show that the rate of a first order reaction is doubled when the concentration of the reactant is doubled. Show that the rate of first order reaction is doubled. So rate of first order reaction, see here K is equal to here, for first order reaction they are saying. So for first order reaction we have this one. Rate is equal to what we have here, rate is equal to K into R to the power 1 here. This is our first order reaction. For first order reaction it is. Okay, and if we double the equation here, if we double the concentration of this reactant here, that is 2R. Okay, so the rate is also what here? Yes, it will be double here because it is a rate constant. If you remove here, what it is? Rate is directly proportional to 2R. So concentration double means the rate is also what here? Double here. Okay. So this is asked in July 2015 question it is. So here R will not come, so rate, if you double it, so it is double here, 2 will write here, then we will get what here, rate is equal to 2K. So K proportionality constant if you remove, it means this one only here. So if the concentration of the reactant is doubled, the rate is also what here, doubled here. Okay. So next question we have here, calculate the half-life period of a first order reaction if the rate constant of the reaction is 6.93 into 10 to the power 3 second here. Easy only, this K is equal to, we have got here, T half they have asked here, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by here 6.93 into 10 to the power 3 here we have here. So So here we can write here, we will get here answer 100 second only here. What we can get here? Answer here 100 second here. It will calculate 6.93 into 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 6.93 into 10 to the power 3 here. So both get cancelled here. The 3 becomes here up will go, means it is what it is, minus 2 it is, okay. So we will get here answer. So here one correction is there, here minus 3 we have here, okay, minus 3 we have here. So this minus 3 when it will go up it becomes 3. So 10 minus 1 into 10 to the power 3. So we will get here 100 second answer, okay. So this question asked in July 2014. Okay, sorry, July 2015 is. This question July 2015 question it is. So please note down this one. So mostly they will ask the questions on first order reactions, 2 marks question. These all are 2 marks questions. So see this question, in a zero order reaction, the time taken to reduce the concentration of the reactant from 50% to 25% is 30 minutes. What is the time required to reduce the concentration from 25% to 12.5%? This question asked in July 2015, 1 mark question it is. Okay, so see, remember in zero order reaction, okay, zero order reaction, the 50% from 50 to 25, half it is, 50 to 25, it is half reduces in 30 minutes. Now from 25 to what, how much reduces here? 12.5 here, okay. In zero order reaction, remember here, as the concentration decreases, the time is also reduces here. Here half, the 50 to 25% in 30 minutes, the 25 to 12.5% it is half reduces. So half it is reduces means the time is also reduces half here, that is 15 minutes here. Okay, this is one trick we have here. So for zero order reaction, remember here, as the concentration decreases, the time is also decreases here. Okay, so here 50 to 25% it is 30 minutes, so 25 to 12.5% 15 minutes. Actually, if the time interval is same, the time duration also will be same here. 50 to 25%, how much reduces here? 25% reduces here. Now from 25%, here also should reduce 25% only in 30 minutes. Equal concentration drop in equal interval of time here. Equal percentage drop in equal interval of time here. Okay, for zero order reaction here. Means here 25% drop in 30 minutes. So next 25% will drop in 30 minutes only here. But here 25% to 0 if we have got, then it will be drop in 30 minutes here. But it has dropped how much here? 12.5, half here. So that's why here 25% half drop here. So we can say here 30/2 here. So we will get the answer here 15 minutes here. So like this they have asked the question for 1 marks and 2 marks questions. You can practice. These all are MQP questions I have made you to solve. So practice well. Still they can ask more about zero order and first order reactions. Simple, easy. Just you have to write, remember the formulas, and based on that formula they can ask the questions. In theory, they will not ask any twisted questions. Easy questions only they will ask here. Okay. So solve this problem. These all are 2 marks questions I have make you to solve. Integrated rate equations for zero order and first order reaction. Compulsory question, that is for 3 marks. And please solve these problems. These are for what here? 2 marks problems it is. And if you want to refer more problems, see my video. Okay, I have made video before this also based on this chemical kinetics problems, zero order and first order reactions here. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Keep studying.